One of the great features of your Now Reach Softphone is that you can create your own call routing rules. To access call routing, click on Tools, then select Call Routing. At the top of the screen, you will see your inbound rules for your extension number. Below this is your fallback rule, followed by your outbound rules, which are only created by your administration team. Let's go through the inbound rules now. When you are looking at your rules, you will see the priority, then the rule columns. Where you see the text inherited, it means that this rule comes from the phone system and has been set up by your administrator. To add a new rule, click on the Add button. You will see the screen change, and you can then use the drop-down box next to When a call is received to select a Then or And option. If you select Then, you will see the screen update, and now you can use the drop-down box next to When a call is received, then call will be directed to, and select where you would like the call to be routed. Desk phone will send the call to your physical phone. Active diversion number will route the call based on your activity diversions. Please see the Activity Diversion Training segment for more information. Softphone will send the call to your computer softphone. Voicemail will send the call directly to your voicemail box. Voicemail play activity will include your activity you have set in your presence in your voicemail message. As an example, Training 1 is currently in a meeting. Enter phone number would allow you to enter a phone number for the call to route to. All options except the Enter phone number will allow you to then select a second rule for what will happen to the call after the first rule. You can then continue to enter further rules if required. If you only require one rule, you can simply click on the Save button. The reason you may use multiple rules, for example, is if I want calls to ring my softphone and then go to voicemail after 20 seconds. So I click on the Add button and select the first step as Then, followed by softphone, then and voicemail, and select 20 seconds. I then click on the Save button to save the rule. You can add multiple rules, then change the priority by using the up and down arrows. This is great if you often change the way your phone routes. You would just adjust the rule you wish to be active as priority 1. You can also click on the X next to a rule to delete it. If you were to add a rule by using the Add button, you could choose to select the And option. This then provides a drop-down selection. When you select one of these options, you can select a second parameter to the rule. For example, when a call is received and activity is lunch, then call will be directed to voicemail. Then click on Save. You can enter multiple rules and use the arrows as before to change the priority. Again, the X will allow you to delete the rule entirely. Click on the Close button to close the call routing window.